Shrek, I'm so happy. He whispers in my ear, "This is my swamp." He grabs me with his powerful ogre hands and puts me on my hands and knees. I'm ready. I spread my ass cheeks to Shrek.
All around me are familiar faces.
That's a sexy fucking M&M. Bet she got a fat ass. Let's see that ass, babe.
Pop it. Twist it. Pull it. Do it.
Oh. Brr, brr. Gucci gang. Oh. As serious. Walker. You. Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Rapunzel, let down your hair.
Grab his dick and twist it!
Oh my god, dude, this is an MMA fight, dude. It's too much.
Twist that dick!
Twist his dick!
Twist his dick!
Oh my god.
Oh, dick twist!
You're going 70 miles per hour. How long would it take you to drive 70 miles?
70, nigga?
There's 1 times 70, 70.
It's a pile of balls.
And I'm still working on my Coke addiction, my Diet Coke addiction, that is. You know?
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground!
You underestimate my power.
Don't try it.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Failure.
what advice would you give to kids like me who make YouTube videos but dream about having a life creating films?
I'd say, well, you gotta just take a deep breath and give up. The system is rigged against you. Your hard work and talent will not pay off. There was nothing standing in our way, and we barely got here. You have no chance. You're doing it. You know, you are making films. There's this idea that, like...
Thank you very much, Trevor. I'm joined by Yamato Cannon. Now, Yamato, Poppy Jungle is not something we've seen in a very long time in the EU LCS. What made you pick it up here in a vital match?
I actually fucked up.
Still Snoop Dogg and D.I.
They drink in heads. They do drink in heads.
I'm black. I'm yellow. I'm red.
I'm coming.
Sun shining on me. Snake circles float, bro, off this world.
Run it, run it, run it, run it. I rock.
Oh, she has a fucking little ladder.
Oh god. And then does she pull it up? Does she pull?
Is she pull it?
So long. Viking boy.
Nobody dabs anymore, bro.
See, here's the thing is that...
So what happened with you where you decided or you took on a more fatalistic attitude? Like, what was there any specific thing, or was it just the inevitability of our future?
I try to convince people to slow down AI, to regulate AI. This was futile. I tried for years. Nobody listened.
All through the captivating, colorful pages of Zubas. Now your child can visit steamy jungles, grassy plains, and the dark depths of the oceans.
I love
Oh dear, that's funny.